What's up, YouTube? Back at you with another video. In today's video, I got for you my cardboard P320 X full replica. This is what it looks like up close. Nothing crazy. This right here is another remake of some kind, because if I'm not mistaken, like 3-4 years ago, I made a P320 based on the X17 that's used by the US Army. And this one right here is the X full version. Yeah, the X full. The gun took me at least 3 to 4 days to make, including redoing the slide right here. This is the second slide I've did on this gun. And speaking of, the features are a working slide, some sights, as you can see, magazine, and unlike most of my guns that I've made as of late, with the exception of one, my gun has a trigger, and the trigger actually works on here. I said I was gonna make more triggers on my gun, and I'm gonna stay true to that. The slide lock and the takedown lever still don't work. I still don't really know how to do that. And on top of that, I was gonna do the optics ready slide for this gun, but I don't know how to get that to work either. So maybe, just maybe, on whatever gun I work on next, I can do that optics ready cut on here. Construction of this gun was kind of rough, because I didn't know how I wanted to get that slide to work, or at least how it to look, because I wanted that little cut right here up top. I managed to do it kind of by just cutting it light and then pushing that part in up here only. Got the front covered up. I was working on the frame too, which, by the way, the dimension of this gun is identical to the Glock, because I noticed the Glock frame could fit the USP's slide. What's strange about it is I had to use 2 different kind of cardboard for it. One kind of cardboard I got from Dollar Tree that was a little bit thinner and a little bit more flexible. Then there's this cardboard I got from boxes delivered to my house, and these things are sturdy. When I say sturdy, they're not folding, they're not bending. And this is me, oh, it's got a little bend to it, and this is me putting quite a bit of pressure on it, and even then, it's not really bending on it much. But really nice gun. I do want to give a shout out to I don't know how to pronounce his name, but he made a P320. This is what it looks like. This is his channel. I'm giving him credit because he is the reason why I managed to do the slide the way it is, and also the reason why I wanted to rebuild my P320. On my P320, I did try and do the slide just like that before, but I didn't know how to do it. That is my gun, and like all my cardboard pistols, there is a tutorial for this gun, and it will play in this video right now. And I'll see you when you get back. All right, glad you made it back. How easy was the gun to make? If it was easy, let me know. If you need help, hit me up on Reddit and Instagram. Some of you probably haven't seen my knife video. That's all right, but I'll tell you here. I have an Instagram and I have a Reddit. These are my main social media platforms that I keep in touch and I interact with some of you. I did have a Discord. It's probably still up and about. I just don't know the password, so I can't get in. So if you're messaging me on Discord and I haven't responded, that's the reason why I can't get into my Discord at all. And to be real, I wasn't using it like that to begin with. But that's all for today's video. If you like this video, be sure to leave a like, comment down in the comment section box below your thoughts, your suggestions. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and enjoying the content, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss an upload. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for getting me here to 4,000 subscribers. And yeah, I appreciate you guys for stopping by. Just, you know, supporting me, supporting the channel. And that's all I gotta say. Thank you. And I hope you guys take care of yourselves, make great decisions, and have a great day. I'll talk to you later. Take these with you. Peace out, and have a good one.